going on, folks? I want to go ahead and show y'all a part on this car. This happens to be a Chevy Impala, but it may be the same on multiple different years of Chevy, as possible even different type vehicles. I had a problem with this car though. Every time I stop at a stoplight, it seemed like it wanted to cut off, and it was idling rough. So just pretty much playing around with different things underneath the hood, what I realized was there's actually a piece right here, if you look up underneath here, that's kind of run into your PVC valve right here. That kind of plugs into this opening right here. And what I noticed is that this piece right here, sometimes when I'm starting the vehicle, like it kind of vibrates up, so it kind of comes up out of this hole that's beneath there. You can see it's like a little gap right there. So the car was running really bad, idling, like it wanted to cut off at a stoplight. So I pretty much came out here and kind of pressed down on this piece right here. And once I pressed down that piece like that, it stopped idling bad and started running much better than what it was before I did that. Then I came back out and kind of moved around on this piece, and when I was doing it, I realized that it started running bad again. So there may be multiple different vehicles and different problems that this right here is causing, because what's going on is air is escaping. You can see that little hole right there, that gap. Once I move this pipe right here, it's allowing air to escape, which pretty much will make your car cut off if it's not all the way plugged in like that. So once again, this happens to be a Chevy Impala, and I'm not sure how many different vehicles that this may be on that could be causing a problem for your car to basically want to cut off and to run bad when you're stopping at stoplights or just starting up in the morning. Once again, if you look on your vehicle, you see your PVC valve, which is pretty much right here, that's plugged into it. If you pretty much follow this line all the way back, it's like on this car, happens to be like a brace over top of it, has 2 screws in it. And right up underneath there, you'll see this little piece right here. See how I'm moving it, and you can see that gap. If that gap is showing like that, this car is going to run bad. It probably won't stay on. It'll act like it wants to cut off, even if a little bit of air escapes from it. So if you're having the same problem with your vehicle, being that it wants to cut off at lights and it's a hard idle, you may want to come out here and kind of play around with this. Let's say you may want to come out and kind of play around with this piece, kind of pressing down on it and making sure it's making a good contact pretty much. Alright folks, once again, this is a quick video on showing you all what could be causing your car to run idle or even cut off. Alright, thanks. Please subscribe and please check out our other videos. Thanks.